So in this video, I want to talk about the mathematical concept of odds. So if the probability of an event is P, then the odds of that event are P divided by 1 minus P. Okay, so that's the ratio of the probability of the event happening and the probability of the event not happening. So that's kind of like a simple mathematical transformation, nothing to it. So if, for example, the probability of survival, so the probability that survive equals 1, if that is 0.4, well, that means that the odds, and I'll write it like that, of survive equals 1, are 0.4 divided by 1 minus 0.4, which is 0.4 divided by 0.6, which is, you could write it as 2 divided by 3. Okay, so we just multiply by 5 and you get, you multiply this by 5 and this by 5 and you get 2 divided by 3. So sometimes you would see it written as 2 divided by 3 like that and read as 2 to 3. Okay, so the odds of survival are 2 to 3. You can think of it as out of the 5 times, like if you try 5 times, then on average twice the person would not survive and 3 times they would. Okay, and the 5 I got just from 2 plus 3. So if you want to think about kind of fractional times that the person survived, you could read it from here as well, right? So out of one trial, the proportion P of the times, which is like smaller than 1, the person would survive, and 1 minus P, they would not survive. So we just kind of multiply it by 6 so that we have like whole numbers of trials. But this is basically this, of course, because we computed it by just multiplying each thing by 5. So it's still the ratio of the probability that the event happens to the probability that the event does not happen.